Well, welcome to Million Max. I think that's what I'm going to start calling this. Got over 1 million kilometers on the truck, and this morning sitting at about -15 to -20, wouldn't start, or rather did start, and stopped due to a fuel problem. What we're going to blame it on here is this guy here. My primer nozzle was not doing anything, so right now I've just taken off my air intake, one simple clamp there, and a couple screws for your mass airflow sensor. Anyhow, you're going to start by taking this guy off here. Just a couple little simple quick clamps on the closes there, get it off. That's why I took this airflow box out of the way. This way easier to get at. What we're going to be putting back on here now is, it's made by IGF, and it's an adapter filter. It's supposed to have a little better filtering assembly on it, and of course comes with a new primer, and there's also the new wiring harness adapter kit for it as well. And that is our plan here. We're just gonna go ahead and change that out with this piece here. It has the spin-on adapter flange to go for the new filter, and we'll see how this goes.